What's going on, everybody? Your boy Shaka here. Yes, I know. I've been slacking on the videos, but I hope, I took in some videos of doing some stuff. I forget exactly what. Oh, trailer arm shit. But I'm trying to put all that into one video, so all that will come out soon. But as of today is Wednesday. I want to say like the 20 something, maybe 21st. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. My aunt got a Honda Odyssey in 2003. Honda Odyssey. Yeah. Nothing fancy. Nothing crazy. Oh. Besides this, look at this. Got a diffuser on the back. Yeah, I just put that there. She just got this not that long ago. And she wanted me to check over it and make sure, everything was good on the car. So I did my little scanny checkers and whatnot. So I found out that she needed valve cover gaskets and the gasket for the oil filter housing. There's a gasket behind there. I didn't even know about that. I'm not used to J-Series like that. I like J-Series, but I'm not used to them. But I'm trying to get used to them, you know what I mean? Because one day, your boy will be putting a J-Series inside of a Civic. I'm going to do it. I'm going to tell you guys now, so that way, like, my future self can look back at this video and be like, bro, you said you was going to do it, you got to do it. So we have gotten the valve covers all apart. That should look clean, right? That should look clean. But what the hell, dog? Yeah, so yeah, there's a lot of burning going on in that back, in those three back cylinders back there. This Union Street is like almost a racetrack for the bikes and cars sometimes. I'm going to be repainting them too because they were flaking off and it looked real ugly. So here they are. I'm just gonna be painting them black, nothing crazy. Make it look all nice again, because it was like flaking off, and I hate when cars start to flake off. And a sad story to go along with this, because it is a Honda Odyssey. Motherfuckers out here in Allentown, yes, you motherfuckers out here in Allentown that be stealing shit. Thought it was a good idea to go lift this car up and go steal the cat off of this. Mind you, you dumb motherfucker. Next time, check what catalytic converter looks like, if it's an aftermarket one or not. Because that one that y'all took off of this car, definitely aftermarket, bruh. Definitely aftermarket. Y'all niggas made like 10 to maybe 40 bucks. Stupid. I'm going to be replacing that too. We have a new O2 sensor right here. And the Mega Flow is catalytic converter. I'm breaking the box. Got a pair of scissors right here. Hold on. Damn, it's not easy to do with one hand. Seen that slick move. But yeah. Got the big poppy right here. But there was barely any oil inside of her car. So, Titi, if you're watching this, your eyeballs needs to be on this stick right here. See this stick? Your eyeball needs to be on it. Look how much oil you got in this car. That ain't much, girl. That ain't much. We obviously came to the conclusion that the car is burning oil. Obviously, you can see that bank one's head or back there. That is burnt up. This one's so damn clean. Anywho, catch on a little bit. All right, everybody. So got the first layer of paint on the valve covers. Nice and shiny for now, but this should be flat black, because that's what this is. I don't know if I'm recording. I don't think I was. before. If you've seen them before, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, if you would like for me to actually time lapse stuff more, leave a comment in the bottom. You know, leave a comment. If you don't really care about time lapse, you just want to see what's next, or leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let me know. I need to know these things, man, so I can get better at this. All right, so got the valve covers inside. I'm not gonna lie. My painting skills is kind of getting up there, dog. Like, I mean, this was a quick touch up outside and all, but shit. I mean, just don't. This is the only flaw I do not like. That spot that's right there. Well, and then that crevice right there, and there, and there. But hey, I couldn't get into there. Didn't really want to waste too much time trying to sand this all down. I mean, I didn't spray this one too much. I see a little bit. But yo, you know what? They ain't come out too bad, man. All right. So y'all keep it watching. Pass right through this. Got the back one all done, got the front one all done. Now I'm gonna put these bitches in. Alright, so my phone ran out of storage, so I gotta be fast with this. No more time lapsing. I'm just gonna skip right to it when it's done. I kind of forgot about the video, honestly. I said I was gonna bring you guys back when I was done, and I am done. I am done. I don't know if I showed you that, but yeah, everything is put back together. should be in working order. I say should because you never know. Still need to put oil into it, but I'm gonna wait until tomorrow so that way all the gaskets seal up and all the RTV that I put. Got the new filter on her. Kind of funny, matches the brakes, but yeah, I know you can't really see nothing. It's all dark, but yeah, that's got that all situated. Trying to clean it up just a little bit, but I could only do so much. But hey, she shouldn't leak. Later. Hold on, everybody. Back at it again. It's the next day. Obviously, I'm at work. I've been working on the Odyssey. Come and take a look at my welding skills. It was gonna come off eventually, so. Video cuts out, but hopefully it doesn't. Copyrighted for the song. But yeah, I just showed you guys what I just finished up. I just finished doing all the welding to it finally. I put oil this morning. So yeah, I'm about to start it up and see how she sounds. Put the O2 sensor in it and hopefully she is good to go. So give me a second and y'all can catch that as I pull it out. Alrighty, I'm about to go and start this up. Give it its first start up. I mean, it seems like a pretty good sound. Oh no. Drop my phone. Got a little squeaker. Fix that right now. Besides the belt squeaking and the smoke from, you know, everything heating up, she sound quiet again. Sounds like she's supposed to be sounding. Get this done and out of here. Go on with the day. So y'all, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Smash that like button. Y'all need to smash that like button. Ooh. Y'all need to subscribe, you know, because you know I'm out here. We out here, Allentown, baby. Y'all take it easy. Catch y'all next time. Peace, love, and energy grease. Later.